today we're at the Coolart Wetlands and Homestead near Balnarring in Victoria. Wow. And that. What a little find. Anyone into shells? Ooh. It's a petrified fox found under a nearby house in Summers. Oh. Look at the big eagle. Shark eggs. Hey Brad, look at the shark eggs. And stingray. Oh.
Port Jackson shark.
Yep. Elephant fish. Oh.
Well, hell, I know what that is.
Oh, who doesn't? Emu egg. Peacock feather. Yeah.
It's a long tunnel extended gold mine.
Oh, well, hella. We want to go there. Take that.
It is. Close enough inches for
Well, hella's where I went when I was 12 or 11 or 12 on a school camp, and it was really good. Oh, yes, please.
already done that, eh?
No, you haven't. That's a different history. It's Walhalla. Oh. Nature Parks, Phillip Island. We're heading that way. So now we're heading down to Coolart House, which is this way. Beautiful gardens. And picnic areas. That's passion fruit, I think. No, it's ivy. Or is it? Look at that for a house. Wow. Who loves old homes? Me. There's a ladder up in that top window going up to the flagpole at the top. Brad might get a surprise. Locked. Look in there. Or it's, no, it's an office. Just storage shit. God, there's some junk in there. Oop.
boxes.
I'm gonna laugh if there's people in there.
Hey? People there.
I don't know. I just heard something. Just boxes. Oh. Where's he gone? Be good if we could go in. Carpets. And the chandelier up there. I'm going to try a door handle. No. Wow.
No woodwork.
They're still fixing it up. Look at the old staircase through the door. They're taking their time to renovate it, Eddie. We got in here fireplace?
Big fireplace in every room.
No, not that one. Ooh. Table. They had big rooms back then.
They're fairly big, Ange.
What?
I don't mind the carpet in that room. I like that. I understand it's been done up, but...
And a butter churn. And...
all the old stuff you had, Ange.
Something else.
God, look at that old chair.
Oh, missed this one.
Christ almighty, here's the cottage.
Here we go. This is a shop. The old curtains. And then there's upstairs as well. Big old chimneys. Scarecrow. Oh.
Need a hard hat on.
Huh.
Wow, this is a nice spot.
Here's a pizza oven.
Oh, this is nice. Ooh, bricks.
Be someone in here. Oh, buttery. Built in 1860 from the handmade bricks set into the ground to keep produce cold. Wow. There's a door behind the step. Oops. Let's go see. So a brick. 2 rooms, 3 rooms. What can you see? Oh, look. That's better. Too short. Observatory. Oh, there's a toilet. An old broken down toilet. Possibly another one. These steps have been removed due to hazardous. Another loo. Interesting knot. Let's see if this is open. Yay! Yay! There's a door that's open. Oh. I thought there was a step. There's not. That's a bit of a ramp though. Wow. Hello everybody and welcome to the wetlands. These little birds. Let's play a game. Can we see them all? Swamp hens, we've seen them before. Swans, spoonbills, ibis. They're around the camp where we are now. They're called bin chickens. Got all these birds that are out there. Anyway, out here. It's wetlands. Can we just see one bird? Just one. Front row seats, look at this. So you can sit back here and see not much at all. Well, I'm very disappointed. There's no birds. And the minute I turn the camera off, there'll be a bird. The minute we turn the camera off, there'll be something, and there were 2 white butterflies. That'd be right. Wait, try again. Just saw a dragonfly. There he is. Past Brad. Shh. Pink dogs. The Craig hide. Patience required to have a glimpse of a crake, rail or a swamp rat.
I should have my camera hat on. They don't see me.
Sit here all day and see nothing.
It's exciting, isn't it?
Oh, we saw a mouse. There's a mouse, a mouse, a mouse. There's a mouse above your head. I just saw a mouse. He went behind that beam.
You heard us coming in.
And there's ants. Oh, look what you see when you're patient. And lots of spiders.
Mm. You know what?
Ah, well, quick enough.
Maybe up this side.
Little mouse. Only little mouse, you can come out now. Where he went.
Look at this old joint. Wow, is this horse stables, you reckon?
Yep. Read the sign.
This bloke had a cemetery too, wasn't it?
No. Old stables and coach house.
Look at the brickwork games on the side, up top. Where's that stuff?
That's rendered.
Oh, they call that.
Stables of yellow handmade bricks were built in the 1860s. And the red coach house and the facade were added in 1890s. So these are the stables, and that must be the coach. These look like stables to me. Right, sit down, it's covered in poo. And that's out in the sun. It's sunk over there. The ground.
What was this one then? Straight to settle home?
Probably a feeder or something in there. I don't know.
Can't get over the old bricks, do they? Funny how some,
Whoops.
the weather affects some more than all others.
Look at the roof.
Wow.
Sometimes you forget to look up, don't you?
It's almost got a lot of little drain here, look. Must be for we could have a piece that runs out there. Bring down, put some new horseshoes on.
Possibly. Look,
Yeah.
helicopter. One more look at the big joint. It's beautiful. Look at it. What a shame. Hopefully they'll have it renovated so some of you guys, when you come here, will get to go inside. No, it'd be good if they had it open. Never mind. That's us for this part of our journey. Back to the car, and we will catch you next time.